Hey everyone, this is Tanya with BluCure. We've had a lot of customers ask how they can measure the thickness of their Clean Armor products. So we've added wet mill gauges to our website, and we'll show you how to use them in this video. Most Clean Armor products need to be applied with at least 1 mil thickness in order to cure, which is why measuring your product can be an important step in your finishing process. If you apply your finish less than 1 mil thick, it will not cure properly. You can watch our other video called "Why is my Clean Armor not curing?" for more tips. To measure Clean Armor, simply press the 1 through 6 side of the gauge in your wet finish. This will not work on a cured finish. Pick the gauge up and you will be left with indentations. The last peg that touched the finish will be your thickness. This is shown in the indentations on the video. Note that the edges of the wet mill gauge will also make an indentation. These do not count towards the thickness and can be ignored. For the month of August 2025, we will be adding a free wet mill gauge with each purchase of Clean Armor products made through the BluCure website. To order, visit BluCureSC.com or contact us at tech@BluCureSC.com for more information. Thank you.